From Russia with Hope. Today is the 20th of April 2021, and I want to demonstrate you this. This is my passport of citizen of Russian Federation. Here it is. It is very old because I received it almost 20 years ago. And please pay your attention to this tab. You see? It is written Bashkortostan Respublika, Respublika Bashkortostan. It is Republic of Bashkortostan in Bashkort and in Russian languages. And this is coat of arms of Republic of Bashkortostan. It is monument devoted to Salat Yuayev. It is written Bashkortostan here, sun, and this is Kuray. This is Kuray. And my fatherland is Bashkortostan. Russia is not my fatherland. And I want this tab to be in my passport of citizen of Russian Federation. These national tabs have two sheets. I can't demonstrate you my personal details. That's why I can't demonstrate you page 2 and page 3. But I can demonstrate you page 4 of these two sheets. So let me demonstrate you this. You see, it is written in Bashkort language, Ödemte, and so on and so on. These words are from Constitution of Russian Federation in Bashkort language. According to this information, passports should be received at 14 years, and afterwards they should be changed at 20 years and at 45 years. Because of Putin's Nazist Russifying regime, ethnic minorities in Russia don't have these two sheets in their passports of citizens of Russian Federation. I have these sheets and I have my coat of arms, Republic of Bashkortostan, because I am 39 years old and I received this passport when I was 20 years old, and when, if nothing will be changed, when I am 45, I will receive same passport but without my coat of arms, without this coat of arms about Republic of Bashkortostan, without these two sheets, 1 and 2. And to say the truth, I am not citizen of Russia. No, I'm sorry, it's not correct. Russia is not my fatherland. Bashkortostan is my fatherland. Bashkortostan is part of Russia, and Bashkortostan is not an independent state, and that's why I am citizen of Russia. But I want to be citizen of Bashkortostan, and these two sheets demonstrate that I am citizen of Bashkortostan. My ancestors lived here for hundreds of years on these lands, in Bashkortostan. And Putin's regimes decided to take away these two sheets in national passports, in passports of citizens of Russian Federation. And I want these sheets to be back, and when I am 45 years, I want to receive passport with these sheets, with my coat of arms, Republic of Bashkortostan, and so on. And I also want to be citizen of normal country of Western civilization. So, you see, this Nazist Russifying Putin's regime makes everything to Russify all people, ethnic minorities, indigenous communities in Russia. I don't want to be ethnic Russian. I don't want to be ethnic Tatar. I have the right to be ethnic Bashkort. I have the right to live in my Bashkort land, in Bashkortostan, have schools in Bashkort language, the universities in Bashkort language, animated cartoons, films in Bashkort language, science, and everything in Bashkort language. But we are, forced, and our children are forced to speak Russian language. And it is policy of linguicide and ethnocide in Bashkortostan nowadays because of Putin's political regime. Please pay your attention, dear people of Western civilization, to this fact, to these crimes of Putin's political regime, and please punish him and his people of his regime. This is from Russia with Hope, and good luck.